toy down here. All the rewards. Let's go. Come on.
He's staring right at the video.
Come on, Gizmo. You can do it. Look at all the treats you could get.
Good boy. Good boy.
2. Pepperoni. Come on. Let's go.
He's like, I don't know. Come on, baby.
Get him to smell it.
Go, 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 go.
Maybe give him one. There's more where that came from. It's like, but Mom.
All right, I'll give you one. Sit. 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 There. Okay, here's more. Here's another one. You can do it. Oh. Come on.
He's so afraid.
Was that him?
He'll get frustrated and come down, I think. You can do it.
You can do it, Gizmo. Go, go, Gizmo. Go, 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 go. Good boy. Good boy. Good.
No, there's no treats there. Come here, buddy. Come here.
Here, Dad. Dad, take over on camera. Just hold it. Should I give him
A little push.
not a little push?
Don't push him. No way out.
Yep. You gotta
It's too dark now. Can you see, Vic?
Yeah.
Is it too dark?
I see you. It's dark.
Oh, to turn on the light in the corner.
Oh yeah.
There.
Haha.
Okay, come on.
Yay.
Thinking. His butt is right on the stair.
Oh, good boy.
Gizmo,
Good boy. Keep going.
here you go. You get one of those.
Here, I'll move this one down. Come on. Good boy. Gizmo. It's another one. You can do it.
Whoa. That's enough stairs for one day.
Yeah, good boy.
You did it.